Okay. How do you feel right now? How do you feel? Do you feel safe? Do you feel safe?
ជាប្រជាជនមួយរូបរស់នៅឃុំអូវៃជឿនភូមិអូវៃជឿនសូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណចំពោះលោកដែលបានចូលមកលក្ខភាពបាក់ដាវជួយរួមសុខទុក្ខនឹងជាមួយប្រជាជននេះ
We are thank you as Cambodian. We are very inspiring. We are so delighted that the U.S. still always caring about us. That you saw our Cambodian people suffering in pain. The U.S. keep fighting for Cambodia. Thank you. We only pray. Thank you, President Donald Trump.
Is this my phone earlier? Who has my phone? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay.